we going to see in previous lecture we already seen the ascending order. Okay, how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. That things we already learned in our previous lecture. So today we're going to see a descending order. How to arrange the numbers in descending order. How to arrange the numbers in order. Descending order, it means what? We have to biggest number by given number. We have to find out the biggest number. सबसे बड़ा number we have to find out. Then we have to reach down towards the small number. We have to reach down towards the small number. It is called a descending order. Now I unmute one of the students. Before unmuting one of the students, I'll solve the sums for you. Okay. Now students, you can see over here. Here is the number. I'll show the number 28, then 43, 35, 26, and 34 is there. Okay, so we can see over here. So we can see the numbers. In that numbers, we're going to see the first descending order. So in that descending order is 28, 43, 35, 26, and 34 number is there. So we can see that number. In that number, we're going to see the things. So 28, number first is the 28. So in that 28, 43, 35, 26 and 34. So we can find out the first, which number is biggest number. Which number is biggest number. For solving the descending order, we have to find out the biggest number. So here we can see the 28, 2 tens, 8 ones, 4 tens, 3 ones, 43. 3 tens, 5 ones is the 35. 2 tens, 6 ones is the 26. 3 tens, 4 ones is the 34. So here is we can find out the 4 tens is the biggest number from that. So it means the 43 is the biggest number. So 40 we can write it over here 43. 43. Then which is the smallest number than the 43? Which is the smallest number than the 43? So here is the 3 tens and here is the 3 tens. Here is the 3 tens and 5 ones. Here is the 3 tens and 4 ones. So in both the number, the 35 is the biggest number. So we can write it over here 35. Then the 34. Okay. Now the next is the 28 and 26. 28 and 26. In that 28 and 26, 2 tens and 8 ones. Here is the 2 tens and 6 ones. So 2 tens and 8 ones is the biggest number than the 26. It means the 2 tens and 6 ones. So we can write it here over here 28. Then it's the smallest is the 26. So this way we come to know the numbers of descending. This way we come to know the numbers of descending order. So for the descending order, we can start T3. We can start from the biggest number and reach towards the smallest number. So I unmute one of the student. That student will tell me the next sum. Okay. Now Moria. I unmute you, Moria.
Yes.
Moria, can you tell me the next number? Read this number.
Yes.
Which is this number, Moria?
14.
Yes,
15,
Moria.
14, 16, 43, 46, 48.
First, you have to read this number. Number read करो. ये number क्या है?
48.
Then next number is
43.
Next number.
16.
And this one.
46.
What?
46.
46. Another number.
14.
14. So, Moria, you have to observe that in that all the numbers, which is the biggest number. इसमें सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा है? We have to identify that. Which is the
48.
biggest number in that?
48.
Yes. So, we have to write it first. 48. Correct. 48 से small number कौन सा है? Which is the smaller number than the 48?
46.
Very good. 46. And which is the smaller number than the 46?
43.
Very good. And which is the smaller than the 43?
16.
Very nice. And next, smaller than the 16?
14.
14. Very good. Everyone clap for Moria. Very good, Moria. Well done. Okay. So this way we come to know the descending order. For the descending order, we have to find out first biggest number. Then we reach towards down the smallest number. Very good. Well done. Well done. Now next I unmute another student. That student name is Shaurya Mahadik. I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Shaurya. You have to read this number. Which is this number? Read it first.
50.
Next one.
50.
What is the next number?
50. 42. 31. 21. 50. 15.
Okay. So can you tell me in that which is the biggest number? Which is the big number?
50.
Okay, 50 is the big number. So we written over here 50 first. So what is the smallest than the 50? 50 से छोटा number कौन सा है? Very good. 42. Which is the smallest than 42?
31.
Very nice. And smallest than the 31?
21.
Smallest than 21?
15.
15. Very good. So this way we come to know the descending order. Everyone understand? For the descending order, we have to find out first biggest number. We have to find out first biggest number. And in that biggest number, we have to lower down towards the smallest number. So we will going to know the arranging of the descending order. So how to arrange the numbers in descending orders, we will get the understanding. Okay. So everyone understand descending order?
Yes.
Okay. So we will go forward. So we will go forward to the solving the sums of the descending order, ascending order, and rest of the sums. These all we can see in our third lesson, that is the numbers lesson. In that numbers lesson, we see the different concept like 3-digit numbers. Yes, 3-digit numbers, tens and ones, 100. Then expanded number, place value, face value. Then all we can see the smaller number, bigger number, comparing number, before and after number. All the things we can see in our numbers lesson. Counting the numbers. So wait a second, I share my order. So in that ascending order, we can see we have to arrange the ascending order. For identify the ascending order, we have to firstly find out the smallest number by the given number. So in that we can see over here, this number we have to solve in the ascending order. These numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. So I unmute one of the student. That student will tell me, student first read the number and then they have to tell me the which number come first, then which number will going to next. Okay, I unmute Ruban. Ruban, I unmute you. Ruban, I unmute you. Ruban.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ruban. Okay, just read the number. Which is the number is there? Just read it. ये numbers read करो बेटा.
1.
Okay, I point out the which number you have to read. I point out better. Read this number. Which is this number?
2.
Read करो ये number.
2, 3,
Read it fast.
5.
So how can we read in the 100 tens and plus thing? How can we read 2, 3, 5? We have to read 235. They're having their place value now. They're having their place value. We already learned place value. So what is the place value of the 2? It is 100. Place value of the 3, it's a tens. And place value of the 5, it's a 1. So how can we read 235?
5.
Yes, this number is 235. Next number. Read this number.
5, 3, 2.
So how can only 5, 3, 2 this way we going to read? These are the 3-digit numbers. So how can we read the 3-digit numbers? 500,
530.
532. How can we read? Yes, repeat after me. 530.
5,
How can we read? 530.
5, 2.
Next number is 523. What is the next number?
123.
523. 5. It's a 100 place. 2. It's a tens place. 3. It's a ones place. So how can we read this number? 523.
3.
Next number. Next number is the 3. It's a 100 place. 2. It's a tens place. 5. It's a ones place. So how can we read this number? 325. How can we read? 325. Now, Ruban, you have to tell me in which is the smallest number. कौन सा small number है ये number में से? In that number, which is the smallest number? Just see. Small number कौन सा इसमें से? 200. Now we have to identify the 100 place. Here is the 200 is given. Here is the 500 is given. Here is the 500 given, and here is the 300 is given.
200.
So 200 and 300 both the small numbers than the 500. Okay. So we have to identify the 500 and 500. Here is the 523. Here tens place is the 2, and here 3. So ये 3 and 2 में से कौन सा बड़ा number है? 3 is the biggest number. So here is the 532. It's the biggest number. But for solving the ascending order, we have to find out smallest number.
Smallest
Okay?
number.
We have to find out small. So in that smallest number is the 235. It's the smallest number. 235. For ascending order, we have to start from small number and reach towards the big number. So 235 is the small number, then the 325 is the biggest number than the 235. And in that number 523 and 532. So 523 is the smallest number than the 532, and 532 is the biggest number. So here we step forward to the biggest number. So we have to start from small number and end towards the big number. It is called a ascending order. It is called a ascending order. It means that we have to arranging the number in ascending order. It is called we can arranging the numbers in ascending order. Okay. So I hope everyone understand ascending and okay. Here is the descending order. So Parth, you have to read the number first. Can you read this number? Which is this number?
698.
Very good. 698. Another number?
689.
Very good. Next number?
960.
900 and what?
68.
60. Very good. Next number?
869.
Okay. So Parth, can you tell me for arranging the descending order, we should start from the bigger number or we should start from the smaller number? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर अरेंज करने के लिए हम लोग बिग से स्टार्ट करेंगे कि स्मॉल नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे?
Big.
हाँ पार बिग नंबर. वेरी गुड. सो वी हैव टू yes, very good. So we have to find out the big number in that. So can you tell me in that which is the big number? इसमें से big number कौन सा है? Which is the big number in that?
968.
Very good. 968. So we have to write it over here. 968. So which is the smallest number than the 968? Nine hundred and 68 में से small number कौन सा है? Which is the smallest number than the 968?
689.
Beta, you have to find out the number. Here is the 968. 900 से छोटा 100 place पे कौन सा number है? 869. Yes or no?
Yes.
869. Then we can go over here. Here also 600. Here also 600. So we can find out the tens place. So here is the 9 is the tens place. Here is the 8 is the tens place. So 9 is the 10th place. It's the biggest number than the 8th place number. So here we can write it 698 and last number is 689. So here we can start from the big number and end towards the small number. It is called the arranging the descending order. For descending order, we should start from the big number and reach towards the small number. It is called arranging the descending order. Understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Parth, are you understand? Yes, very good. Everyone clap for Parth. Very good. So now, Jeevesh, I unmute you. Yes, Jeevesh?
Yes, teacher.
So Jeevesh, you have to read the number first. Read it, which is some
816.
516. Then next is
816.
next number
165.
165. Another number?
156.
156. So Jeevesh, in that number, in all the numbers, we have to find out the number for the arranging the descending order. For arranging descending order, we have to find out big number or small number first.
Big.
Yes, Jeevesh? Big number. So can you tell me which is the big number in that? Which is the big number in that?
Smaller.
500 is the big number, 600 is the big number, 100 is the big number. Which is the big number?
650.
Yes, 615 is the big number. So after the 615, which is the smallest number than the 615?
516.
516. Very good. And then 516, which is the smallest number. So we can look at over here. There are both the number is the 100. One is the 100 place. Here also 100 place. And here also 100 place. So we can going towards the tens place. Tens place ka number dekho abhi. Here is the tens place is the 6. And here is the tens place is the 5. So which is the big number? 6 or 5?
100.
6 tens is the big or 5 tens is the big?
165.
Yes, 165 is the biggest than the 156. So 156 is the smallest number. So here we can see the big number is the 615 and small number is the 156. So for arranging in the descending order, we should start from the big number and end towards the small number. It is called the arranging order. So I hope everyone understand the arranging the ascending and descending order. Okay. Everyone understand? If you are understand, please give me a thumb. Please give me a thumb. Aradhya, understand? Vaishnavi, Chauhan, Laksh. लक्ष्य बेटा आपका रोल नंबर 41 नहीं है. What is your roll number? Lakshya, I unmute you. Yes,
Yes,
Lakshya, I
teacher.
unmute you. हाँ लक्ष्य, आपका रोल नंबर क्या है बताओ मुझे.
41.
Your roll number is 41.
Yes.
Wait a second. Wait. Beta, I'll see to it.
Yes.
Yes.
You're from second D, na?
Yes.
Yes.
No, beta. What is your name?
Laksh.
Na? Your roll number is 31, not a 41. Your roll number is 31. 31.
Okay. Thank you.
Vignesh Kumar का roll.
Thank you, teacher.
हाँ आपने रॉन्ग रोल नंबर लिखा था इसलिए मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि आपने रॉन्ग नंबर मेंशन किया.
और है ना क्योंकि ना ये रोल नंबर चेंज हो गया था.
हाँ तो लास्ट टाइम जब मीटिंग हुआ तो रोल नंबर बताया था ना, शो किया था ना रोल नंबर.
हाँ लेकिन लिस्ट में तो मेरा 41 दिया है.
नहीं मैं आपको बताऊँ मैं तो शेयर करती हूँ आपको बताती हूँ.
Yes.
कंफ्यूजन क्लियर हो जाएगा.
No, no.
वेट अ सेकंड. ये देखो सेकंड डी आपका रोल नंबर देखो यहाँ पे. ये
Screenshot
देखो
निकाल.
31. लक्ष्य
Screenshot निकाल.
है ना.
Lakshya.
Yes.
स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल.
1 मिनिट.
ये देखो हाँ लक्ष्य नरेश चौहान 31, 41 किसका है? विघ्नेश नीलेश कुंभार का है.
ओके.
ओके.
तो आपने गलती से 41 की जगह पे 31 की जगह पे 41 किया, तो इसकी वजह से आपके फिर एक्टिविटी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है ना. तो आपने अगर रोल नंबर रॉन्ग लिखा है तो प्रॉब्लम करो, मेल करने के लिए बोलो पेरेंट्स को. ओके, कल का डे है आपको एक्टिविटी सबमिट करने का, और फिर से सबमिट कर सकते हो अगर गलती से दूसरा एक्टिविटी किया है तो. ओके,
यस.
इसलिए मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला था कि आपका रोल नंबर 41 नहीं है.
ओके.
ओके, तो डाउट क्लियर हुआ ना बेटा? विघ्नेश ने.
टीचर.
लक्ष्य,
टीचर,
हाँ बोलो
वो नहीं क्या वीडियो है,
बोलो ना.
वो बनाने का है तो कभी सेंड करने का? वो कभी सेंड
Yes.
करना?
एक्टिविटी आपको जो फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी सेंड किया था ना लास्ट 31 जुलाई को जो सेंड किया था ना, वो आपको 7 मतलब कल आपको सेंड करना मेल आईडी पे.
यस.
ओके, अर्नव कोथळे आई अनम्यूट यू. लक्ष्य बेटा आप
Welcome.
म्यूट करो. अर्नव आई अनम्यूट यू. अर्नव.
टीचर.
यस अर्नव आई अनम्यूट यू बेटा.
यस टीचर.
हाँ वेट अ सेकंड अर्नव, वेट. Arnav, so I written over here in the screen whiteboard some numbers. You have to arrange in the descending order. आपको descending order में